Hello guys, today I will show you amazing Android volume button secret tricks. For these tricks, you need to download an app named Quick Click. You can download it by clicking on the link in the description box. Install the app. This app lets you create various commands by just using volume keys of your Android phone. Tap on Create New Action. Select from any of the options available. You can click a photo just by clicking the volume keys. Now this shows the order of key to complete an action. To click a photo, I need to press volume plus, volume minus, volume plus key and it will capture the image. Select the desired options. You can open an app too just by pressing the volume keys. For the app now, I need to press volume minus, volume plus, volume minus key. And it will open the app. This app is great. It works perfectly. You can use it to start the flashlight. You can set volume key order in any way as you like. This will start a sound. You can even place a direct call or start typing a message. You can toggle various system settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, play music and much more. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is currently on. Now it has turned off. Now it has turned on again. Isn't it great? Some phones allow you to take a screenshot by pressing volume down key with power button. Some phones even allow you to capture images by pressing volume up or volume down key. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to our channel.